Gonna try and obviously stealth camp here tonight. Someone has come along and it looks like chalk and they put like a mark across my tyre. Hey everyone, welcome to another video where you join us on our European road trip, and we're in
Campervan.
Yes, we're in Switzerland and we're actually in the Alps at the moment. This is why you can see all this flowing water, because I'm going to show you in a minute all the mountains and everything. Now, one of the reasons that we've actually come to this area is because the Gumball Rally is on. If you don't know what the Gumball Rally is, it's an event that's on every year, and lots of supercars from all over the world, they get together and they travel across different areas. And this time they're in Europe, and we weren't far from Verbier, so we decided we're going to come here. Now, where we're parked, we're hoping that we can do a stealth camp tonight because it's in a normal car park, but I'll show you that later on. For now, we're going to have a quick walk around here, so we'll show you around. If you're interested in moving to this area, they've got something for sale here for 770,000 Swiss francs.
Come on then, what's that up?
So many shops here, and Brooke just keeps saying, go over there and have a look, what have they got in there and things. What is it that you're actually looking for? Huh? Oh, got that on camera, got that on camera, that's staying in, that's staying in. Oh, look at them, look at them.
Look at that.
Oh. I think we might have to go in here and just get something. What do you think, Brooke?
Right, you go in and have a look.
What do you want, what do you fancy? Thank you to the gentleman that's just been down there. They do have a Gumball crew here, and we've just been having a really good chat with them. We're in the right place, and I think, you know, if we can get that stealth camp there, we're in the right place to see all the supercars coming in. Now, I know that you guys watching, not everyone's into supercars and things, but like I said, we're stealth camping as well, so, you know.
Well, they have got ski lifts.
They've got ski lifts, so... Would you go on a ski lift? You're a bit scared of heights, aren't you? So.
I am, but I'm going to go on one, but I want to go on one like John Brown.
Ah, yeah, because we're going to be staying there for nearly a week, aren't we?
We're already at the top, so there's not much point getting a lift down to the bottom.
Yeah, it'd probably be easier walking back down there, so I need to keep Brooke away from them shops. Every time she's in the shop, she's like, ooh, her eyes light up, so... Right. Should we... I think maybe what we should do is...
You know that little food place that we've seen? Not the one we've just been showed on, the other one.
Oh yeah.
So maybe we should get something from there and sit down. Have
a quick bite to eat. I mean, we have got food in the camper van, but you know, it's nice just like look at the view and everything, just eat out occasionally. And obviously we've come to Verbier, so you know, support the economy a bit. Although I kind of feel they don't really need supporting here. Seems like there's a lot of quite expensive designer shops and everything here, so... Like right, yeah, let's go and get some food. What you got there, Brooke?
Cheesecake.
And
watermelon.
That's for Thor. So this is where we've parked, and like I said, we're going to try and obviously stealth camp here tonight. If we get told to move on, obviously we're going to move on, and then what we'll have to do is, like where we drove up the mountain roads, we'd have to let's see if we can find somewhere down there. So right, we're stealth mode cooking now. Stealth mode cooking. Everything's cool. Everything's cool. Right. We're going to actually make some pizzas that we've got, and yes, we're going to have that cheesecake. Thor wants some of his watermelon, so let's get these cooked. Guys, I've waited a long time to see that. You know, it's like something that I'm into, you know, supercars and everything. Now, Brooke's actually gone back to the van and she went down there probably like an hour or so ago because she was getting cold. We had to feed Thor as well, and as I stayed there and filmed a few of the supercars, so like really excited that we've seen that. So now we're going stealth camping. I need to get something to eat as well, so let's go. Van now, keeping all stealth.
I am back early because it was a bit cold and wet.
Yeah, right, we're just going to make some noodles because we've not really ate much, so something nice and quick. Then what we're going to do, we're going to chill for the night. Morning everyone, just took Thor for a quick walk, and as you can see there's still a lot of gumball cars that are like leaving the area now. That's what we're going to be doing now, we're going to be leaving. Now, just noticed, really strange, and I've asked some locals, they don't know nothing about it. Someone has come along and it looks like chalk and they put like a mark across my tyre to their type of thing. I had a look at some of the other vehicles, I can't see any others, but it just seems a bit strange that somebody intentionally has come and done that. But anyway, we're leaving now, so not really concerned about that.
So that was our first official stealth camp in Switzerland. It was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah, because even this morning, like when we was waking up, like there was supercars like going past still.
Yeah, it was really exciting and it was great to see the gumball. But today we are off on our travels again and we're going to Valais and we're going staying at a campsite for a couple of nights, aren't we? And this campsite's in the middle of the forest, so...
Oh, just very quick, let's look at that view there.
Oh, amazing.
So how long are we staying at this campsite for?
We're here for 3 nights. Okay. But there's loads of walks around here. I'm just hoping that it's not raining like it was at work, because it's all grass and you're literally in the middle of the forest and the mountains, so...
So, we'll catch up with you when we get to the campsite.
Let's go!
We're following you, so you need to get this right. I don't think it's this way. We'll keep following you. This is home for the night. Now I'm just going to show you, next to our pitch, we've got this water here. Yes. Check this out. Do you know what, guys, if you want to see more of what we're doing in Switzerland and this campsite that we're staying at for the next few days, hit that subscribe button.